Who's this ladder made for? Babies? Oh!
A little scared.
Scared? What are those meds for?
So you can do less parenting?
Babysitter in a bottle. I'll climb the ladder.
So beautiful.
Almost there. You just need to go up the last rung.
That's not a rung, it's the top.
The top is a rung?
No, it's not.
Let me check on Google.
We don't have internet.
Well, maybe if I keep refreshing, it'll come back. Refresh. 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 Oh, this is pointless. Refresh. 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 Woo! No. Refresh. Refresh. Refresh.
Guys need jackets.
No, we're fine. No.